Good morning.
So, we're in the new car. We're in the F truck, and we have the Caravan attached. And we're going up to go get the new awning put on the Caravan.
Insert hallelujah here.
Woo! So I think, when did we order we ordered the awning in October. Today is the 31st of May. So I think it was like early October that we ordered the awning.
Yeah, we would have already had it on if I didn't push it back, but I needed to go east for a week.
So it actually arrived probably about 4 weeks ago. We just haven't had a chance to go back up and put it on. Yeah, because I've been working. Grant went back to New South Wales for a couple of weeks. And yeah, hopefully, I think Mark has the photos of what the box looked like when it arrived. And apparently, I haven't seen the photos myself, but apparently the box was so damaged that Toll was going to send it back to Aussie Traveller because they thought the awning was broken.
And Mark, bless his soul.
Oh yeah, thank you.
I mean, I don't know. I can't tell you how grateful we are to Mark. Proved himself to be such a great friend and just helped us out so much.
Yeah.
And he's just such a kind bloke. He took it upon himself to basically project manage the whole schmozzle, which is, it proved to be quite stressful for him. So sorry, Mark, but thank you so much.
Yeah.
He called them up and said, look, this has gone on way too long. What the hell? And they said, oh, yeah, it's actually on the truck. We've located it. It's at the so-and-so depot. He goes, that's 15 minutes from here. I don't care what you have to do, get it here. So half an hour later, they actually got it to the mega store. And he had a look. Apparently they said that, yes, as Bianca said, they were going to send it back to Queensland because the box was damaged. The box was badly damaged. Like, forklift tines gone through the box. I haven't seen photos. When I get them, I'll insert them here. And he said, I'm going to open the box. Do not send it. I'm going to open it. I'm going to inspect it. Apparently, the canvas and the awning holes and everything, fine. The box looked destroyed. So, if it wasn't for Mark, we'd still be hurrying up and waiting.
Yeah.
So, thank you, Mark.
Yeah.
Legend.
Yes, definitely. Thank you. So very exciting. Long time in the making. So I guess there's a hot tip there for anybody. If you have anything that it's not in stock and it's an item that does take a while, maybe like order it for where you plan to be in 6 months' time. Even if they say it's going to be like 4 weeks or 12 weeks, just like think, today I'm in WA, but I might be in Queensland in 6 months' time. I'll just pick it up from there, because you just never know how long it's going to take, and you don't really want to be hanging around waiting for it to come if you don't have the time to do that. So yeah, plan ahead and order it to go somewhere in the future, in the distant future. And
I think the dogs are relaxed in the new car.
Yeah, Frank just farted. Yeah.
Tell it's Frank.
Yeah, for sure. And so in the back it looks a bit funny. So we don't have a sling yet for this because the other one didn't fit. So I've just got a fitted sheet over the seats, and we just got a sheet on the door just to stop them from. Frank likes to jump up to stop him scratching, but they're just here sitting down, laying down in the back. And we'll have to figure that whole situation out. But we've got the back seats folded up, and they're just on the floor in the back. But we're going to go to a canvas person and get a canvas sling made for that. Yeah, so anyway, we'll see you at the Caravan Megastore. About to get a new awning.
Hey, nice to job, dude. Come on, they handle it up, buddy.
Well, at least it's here. Where's the other part of it? Okay, so we're at the Caravan Mega Centre, so they're doing the awning on the other side, but Grant's taking advantage of the ladders and everything and is replacing, is it called J-strip?
Yeah, J-strip.
J-strip. So this strip, and he's re-siliconed. That's the old one. So excited for the awning. I don't think I'm in frame, but new awning up, perfect. Aussie Traveller, they've done such a great job here at the Caravan Megastore. Grant didn't tuck it away properly, that's why it's still sitting out like that, but it's all good. So while we're here, Grant had to go and change the J-strip on one side, but we haven't changed this side. Check out the difference. Like, I don't even know how old that one is. It's going to be so old. Grant has also changed the tail lights and he's resprayed all the back. So I might put a photo in of what the back end used to look like with the old taillights and the old paint job, but it looks so much better. He's done such a good job. And I think all our windows are dirty. We might need to clean up here as well. Give the whole van a clean, actually, to be honest, but So happy. It's only, been 7 months waiting for this awning and it's finally here. And Grant and Mark are checking out the car. Hello. You want to say hi?
Hi.
I can cut you out if you want.
That's okay. So everything that we've done is thanks to this man here.
Thanks,
Absolute
man.
legend. He's humble, but he's an absolute lifesaver for us. And it's on finally. The saga of the Awning is finito. So
So
time to
good.
enjoy it.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
So good.
Let's go. We've got to let Mark go. Yeah.
Yeah. Everyone's gonna go back home.
Yes. I'm going to go.
It's been a long day. See ya.